Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to Echoes of Wisdom, a journey through 10 Ewe Proverbs. Today, we invite you to join us on a captivating exploration into the heart of Ewe wisdom. Immerse yourself in the rich mosaic of Ewe culture as we unravel the profound meanings and timeless insights embedded in these ancestral expressions of wisdom. Before we delve into the world of Ewe Proverbs, let's take a moment to appreciate the essence of this rich cultural heritage. Proverbs are more than just words. They are the echoes of generations, the whispered collective wisdom of ancestors that resonates through time. In this journey, we'll explore not just words, but stories, lessons that have shaped the identity and values of the Ewe people. Join us as we step into a world where every proverb is a thread weaving the intricate fabric of life's complexities. Are you ready to uncover the wisdom of the Ewe people? Let the journey begin. Let's explore the first of our 10 proverbs. Bafamedoa kale hadao. Bafamedoa kale hadao. A cripple does not start a war song. War songs are sung in times of war to incite, excite, and arouse the fighting spirit in warriors, or at least to get them to do something daring or valiant. The one who makes the war cry usually joins in a battle. A cripple would not be able to do so. This proverb teaches that a person who makes themselves out to be what or who they really aren't will eventually be exposed. It is important to be humble. Our second proverb says, Atide kame wana aveo. Atide kame wana aveo. One tree does not make a forest. This proverb definitely means that one tree does not make a forest. The moral lesson is that no matter how prominent a single person may be, whether they are wealthy, elderly, strong, etc., they do not replace others. It admonishes us against over-reliance on a single person and encourages unity and team spirit. Let's take our third proverb. Tomedela yegbanazde. Tomedela yegbanazde. The one who fetches water is the one who breaks the pot. The one who fetches water is the one who breaks the pot. This one is absolutely interesting. When someone accepts to go on an errand, there is the possibility that they may not get it entirely right. However, they did accept to go, and they have shown more care and consideration than one who refuses to go. So yes, they may break the pot, but their good-hearted effort should be appreciated. Women no atome no lupe no jum o. Women no atome no lupe no jum o. One doesn't insult the mouth of the crocodile while standing in a river. This fourth proverb is hilarious yet very insightful. To stand in the river while insulting the crocodile's mouth is to look for trouble while on your enemy's turf. It is very unwise to go to a place where you're outnumbered or where you're in the weaker position and then make trouble. Now to proverb number 5. Ne atiada le nyadim esiai le fiaumutila, mumuye le jrum. Ne atiada le nyadim esiai le fiaumutila, mumuye le jrum. A tree which continually provokes axes wishes to be felled. This is yet another thought-provoking statement. Respect is a value most admired by the Ewe. They teach it to their children and ensure that people are accorded the respect they deserve. Especially for people in authority, it is important to not get on their wrong side. To provoke the axe is to step on the toes of someone who can deal you great harm of any kind. This proverb teaches respect, reverence, and wisdom. Not everything or everyone is to be toyed with. Let's move on to our 6th proverb, which says, Tame noani kludo akuku. Tamen noani kludo akuku. The knee doesn't wear a hat in the presence of the head. Ebe people will not kill me. You can tell that these people definitely lived around the same places as the Nigerians. The humor is almost palpable, but this proverb has an important lesson to impart. It is critical to honor those deserving of it. You would typically not go to an employee, for example, to get the history of an establishment when the proprietor is around. It also calls for using the right tools for the right job. Now to proverb number 7. Nunyala me jani le kodekaji zieveu. The Anglo would say, Nunyala me jani le kodekaji zieveu. A wise person does not fall down on the same hill twice. A wise person does not fall down on the same hill twice. As a well-known quote suggests, repeating the same actions while anticipating different outcomes is considered a form of insanity. This Ebe proverb wisely encourages us to draw lessons from our past mistakes, emphasizing the importance of learning and growing to prevent the recurrence of those errors in the future. Ready for this next one? It seems absurd at first, but is quite instructive. Afiade popo nyowu ya me popo. Afiade popo nyowu ya me popo. Afiade popo nyowu ya me popo. As the Anglo would say. Staring somewhere is better than staring nowhere. We all harbor dreams and aspirations, envisioning a future that sometimes feels distant from our current reality. Consider, for instance, the desire to shift from a job that may not be ideal. Yet, when weighed against the hardships of unemployment or having no occupation at all, that current job takes on a newfound appreciation and significance. Our penultimate proverb is quite simple. Hajima chola akaye wugbana. The one who sings or makes music non-stop breaks the rattle. The depth of our affection for something can sometimes lead to difficulty in letting go. Even in pursuits as positive as singing, exercising self-control becomes imperative. Through this Ebe proverb, we are guided to embrace the wisdom of moderation in all our endeavors, understanding that balance is key to our well-being. Dadime chana la pupwisiyo. Dadime chana la pupwisiyo. The cat doesn't go into the fish or meat trade. The cat doesn't go into the fish or meat trade. The inherent wisdom of this proverb is quite apparent. It underscores the paramount importance of self-assessment to discern our strengths and weaknesses. This self-awareness should guide our choice of pursuits. Furthermore, it is crucial for individuals to carefully consider the character of those entrusted with specific roles. As an illustrative point, appointing a thief as a treasurer is a decision fraught with peril, highlighting the significance of placing individuals of integrity in positions of responsibility. Take time to reflect on how they resonate with your own experiences. The wisdom of the Igbo people has a universal quality that connects us all. As our journey comes to a close, we express gratitude to the Igbo community for sharing their wisdom. We invite you to continue this dialogue in the comments below, sharing your thoughts, favorite proverbs, or any reflections inspired by this exploration. Bye for now.